Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a Balinese spiced chicken, or we called it ayam betutu. Please watch it until the end. Let's go. We need a whole chicken. Season it with salt as needed. Massage it over the chicken. Then squeeze some lime or lemon, about 1 tablespoon. Set it aside and let it cool in refrigerator for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's chop 4 lemongrasses. Chop 1 thumb of galangal. Two ginger. One aromatic ginger or cutchery. 5 baked candle nut. Six cloves of garlic. Ten shallots. And 5 to 7 red chilies. Chop them all and put in the plate or a bowl. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon caraway, 1 teaspoon coriander seed, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 3 tablespoon tamarind water, 1/2 teaspoon grilled shrimp paste, 3 pieces lime leaves, two bay leaves, 1 roll cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix them well. Now take out the chicken from the fridge and coat the spices over the chicken. Make sure to coat everything. Then steam the chicken for 1 hour until the meat is tender. sprinkle some fried peanuts, and it's done. Your Balinese spiced chicken is ready to serve. Enjoy! What should we cook next time? Please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.